Hey everyone, welcome back to U.S. Immigration News, where we break down U.S. immigration in simple, straightforward terms. If you're a green card holder or know someone who is, you probably wondered, what if you get pulled aside at the airport on your way home? In 2025, with stricter enforcement at U.S. borders, more lawful permanent residents are facing delays or even detentions upon re-entry. It's scary, but it's avoidable. Today, we're diving into the top reasons why this happens, the latest green card updates you need to know, and 3 essential tips to sail through customs smoothly. Stick around. This could save your next trip. If you're new here, hit subscribe and that bell for more immigration insights. Let's jump in. Why green card holders get detained. The real reasons. As a green card holder, you're a lawful permanent resident with the right to live and work in the U.S. But when you travel abroad and return, U.S. Customs and Border Protection officers review your admissibility at ports of entry like airports. If something flags you, it can lead to secondary inspection, questioning, or even detention while they investigate. Here are the most common triggers in 2025. 1. Extended time abroad. If you've been outside the U.S. for more than 6 months, 180 days, CBP might question if you abandoned your residency. Trips over a year without a re-entry permit can be even riskier, as it could look like you're no longer based here. Heightened scrutiny this year means shorter trips are safer. 2. Criminal history concerns. Even old or resolved arrest convictions or charges can raise red flags. Under expanded enforcement, CBP is cracking down on green card holders with past records that might make you inadmissible, like certain misdemeanors or felonies. It's not about new crimes. It's about what's in your file. 3. New CBP enforcement rules. In 2025, updated protocols are leading to more checks on things like unlawful voting, false citizenship claims, or even working abroad without proper authorization. Officers can detain you if they suspect deportability, even if you're just tired from a long flight. Remember, detention doesn't mean deportation. It's often just extra paperwork, but it can turn a quick homecoming into hours or days of stress. All the new 2025 green card updates you need to know. Before we get to the tips, let's cover the fresh updates on green cards as of November 2025. USCIS and the Department of State are keeping things steady for many, but there are a few big shifts. 1. Visa Bulletin stability. The November 2025 Visa Bulletin shows no major retrogression for employment-based green cards. Final action dates hold steady from October, giving a green light for filings in categories like EB2 and EB3. Family-sponsored adjustments are using the dates for filing chart, so check the USCIS charts if you're in line. This means smoother processing for backlog holders. 2. Proposed restrictions on public benefits. The Trump administration just floated new rules that could tighten public charge grounds for inadmissibility. If you're applying or renewing, expect more scrutiny on past use of benefits like Medicaid. It might impact future approvals. 3. Streamlined processes. On a brighter note, DHS rolled out a final rule in October for temporary agriculture workers, which indirectly helps green card pathways by easing H-2A transitions. And for re-entry, always renew your green card if it's expiring soon. Digital options are expanding via USCIS apps. Pro tip: bookmark the monthly visa bulletin at travel.state.gov for real-time priority dates. Knowledge is your best travel buddy. Game-changing tips to avoid detention. Now, the part you've been waiting for. 3 practical tips to minimize risks. These come straight from immigration experts and real traveler stories. Tip 1. Keep trips short and document your U.S. ties. Aim for under 6 months abroad per trip. Before leaving, Gather proof like a U.S. job letter, lease bank statements, or family photos show CBP you're committed to life here. If you're gone longer, get a reentry permit, Form I-131, in advance. Tip 2. Vet your travel plans with an attorney. Consult an immigration lawyer before booking. They can review your record for flags and advise on waivers if needed. Apps like USCIS Case Status can track everything digitally. 2. Don't go solo on big trips. Tip 3. Know your rights at the border. Stay calm and assertive. If questioned, politely say, you'd like to speak to your attorney, or you don't consent to searches beyond your bags. You have the right to an interpreter and shouldn't sign anything without understanding it. Never surrender your green card voluntarily. Follow these, and you'll reduce your odds of extra hassle big time. Conclusion: there you have it. The why behind airport detentions for green card holders, the 2025 updates, keeping things moving mostly, and 3 essential tips to travel with confidence. Remember, you're not alone in this. Millions navigated successfully every year. If this helped, comment below. What's your biggest travel worry? And share with a friend who's planning a trip. For personalized advice, reach out to a trusted attorney.